Trigger line trading strategy. Please read our risk disclaimer. Thank you. The trigger line helps us to identify trading opportunities, reversals, entry points, exit points, and trend continuations. Let's move forward and let's take a live example on the euro versus the US dollar. So we have a live chart right here on the euro versus the US dollar, and to identify or to draw a trigger line, I will use a descending pitchfork here as an example. So we have here a descending pitchfork. The price has decreased within the descending pitchfork's body. It has found support below the medium line, and now it has registered an upside breakout from this descending pitchfork, and now it continues to move higher. And now, very important, I will draw a trigger line like this from this top, from this pivot point, from this pivot. So I will draw this line from this pivot to this pivot, and now we have a trigger line. Trigger line. So if the price makes a valid breakout above this trigger line to stabilize above it, test, retest, then it should continue to increase in the upcoming period. Okay, so the breakout, this breakout above the upper medium line of the descending pitchfork wasn't enough for us to consider going long on the euro versus the US dollar. But if the price will stabilize above this trigger line, if it retests the trigger line, if it stabilizes above it, then we'll have a confirmation that we'll have a reversal here. After this temporary decline, corrective phase, the price activates a further growth here on the euro versus the US dollar if it stabilizes and confirms this breakout above the trigger line. So we can use this trigger line to identify entry points, opportunities, reversals. So we had a corrective phase here on the euro versus the US dollar, and the breakout, the valid breakout above it could signal a further growth with a potential upside target here at this former higher high. Okay, and let's take other examples, guys, here on the euro versus the US dollar, and let's draw another descending pitchfork here. 1, 2, and 3. You can see here that the price failed to stabilize right above this upper medium line and to continue to drop towards our target at the medium line. So this breakout here signaled that we may have an upside continuation, and I will draw a trigger line here from this pivot. I will connect these two pivots, and we'll have a new trigger line, guys, here as well. A new trigger line. So valid breakout above the trigger line. So increase, retest, and then the price has continued to increase. So after the price has registered a valid breakout above the trigger line, the price has continued to increase. And let's move forward and let's identify other trigger lines, guys. Very important. And let's take this example here. 1, 2, and 3. So I'm drawing an ascending pitchfork this time because I really want to take this example. So here the price failed to stay within the ascending pitchfork's body and to continue higher towards the medium line. of this ascending pitchfork, and I will draw here a trigger line. One moment, like this, connecting these two pivots, and now we have here a new trigger line, guys. So we had the first drop, a minor increase here, the price failed to retest the lower medium line, and then it has dropped and stabilized below, test, retest, false breakouts above the trigger line, and then the price has continued to drop. Okay, so as you can see here, you can use this trigger line to identify reversals or trading opportunities or trend continuations. Okay, so you can use this trigger line with the ascending pitchfork or with a descending pitchfork, like in these cases here, or along with other trading tools or indicators to identify great trading opportunities, entry points. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching this video tutorial. Don't forget that you can join our VIP Telegram group by accessing this link, Learn to Trade Go Premium, or by accessing the link posted right below this trading tutorial. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel because you will receive a notification. You will be notified every time we will host live webinars or every time we will upload market analysis and trading tutorials, and you can visit also our website. Thank you guys. See you next time. Bye bye.